First, remove the battery from the back of the computer, then discharge all remaining power from the notebook by pressing the power button after the battery has been removed. Next, remove the small screws on the memory bay door. Carefully push the clips on both sides of the memory module outwards to release it. It will pop up slightly. Once it is above the clips, it can be removed by sliding it away from the memory slot. When installing the new memory, notice the alignment notch on the memory module in regards to the notch on the memory slot in your notebook. These should line up. The memory module will slide in at a 45-degree angle. You do not need to force the memory module into place, only firm pressure is needed. Once in place, press down on the outer corners of the memory to secure it. Repeat this for the second memory module if necessary. Now replace the memory bay cover and install the Phillips head screws. Once the memory bay cover is secure, you may replace the battery and turn on your computer. For more information, please visit us at www.crucial.com.